Hello, Mr. Heap here, and today I'm going to talk about how to make this program check to see whether we have a certain amount of requirements met. So here we were able to count up the number of letters, number of digits, number of uppercase, and so on. So I am going to use those, but now I'm going to say if number of letters, let's say letters is lowercase letters, right? So let's say that has to be greater than 2. You need at least 2 lowercase letters. Now I'm going to hit enter, and it already has it tabbed over for me. So now I'll say if number of digits, let's say it has to be more than 0 digits, so that's at least 1. If number of uppercase is greater than 0, and then let's just make number of characters, let's say greater than 1. So there's got to be 2 characters in it. So if it fits all 4 of those requirements, what do we want to do? We want to print your password is accepted. Now let's see, let's run this, see what happens. I run it, and nothing is happening. It's actually confused because it doesn't know what's going on. Well, the problem here is this doesn't meet our requirements, but I don't know which of these it doesn't meet. Well, actually I do. I only have one symbol, so let's put another symbol in here, and let's see if it works. Now it says my password is accepted. But to that point, if it doesn't work, we want to know what thing is wrong. So what I want to do is, if the characters are greater than 1, I'll go right underneath that if. See how this cursor is right beneath it, but I guess 2 rows down, but on the same column mark. And I'll say else. So if it doesn't have the characters more than 1, I'm going to print you need more characters. And if there's not enough uppercase level values, so if the number of uppercase is greater than 0, now I'm going to make an else right below this if to handle what happens if there's not enough uppercase. You need at least 1 uppercase letter. And we're going to do the same thing for the number of digits. So you need at least 1 number. And then finally, number of letters. Else, what do we need? At least 3? Yeah, we need at least 3. At least 3 lowercase letters. So now when we run it, well, it'll say our password is accepted. Let's take out a capital letter. Now it'll say you need at least 1 capital letter. If I put in a capital letter and I take out our numbers, it should tell us you need at least 1 number. Great. Now this is good if we have our password in our program. What would even be better is we ask them what their password is. So I'm going to say input, and then what, or maybe say enter your password. And so what we do here is if I run it, it'll say eventually, what is your password? And I'll put in Charlie and Oscar 24, or that's 23. You need more characters. So if I run it again, I can say Charlie Where's my and Oscar 23. Oh, and now I forgot I need 2 characters. So it tells you what you need, and then hopefully, if everything's going right, it'll say your password's correct. Here, Charlie and Oscar times. Oh, I need at least one number. Hopefully you get the point. All right. Hope this works for you.